Sometimes you want to control the data other people enter. That's when you need data validation. Select the cells you want to limit. Then data validation. There are several controls. You can make sure just numbers are added or a particular text length. Like for a phone number, for this example, we'll select time. We'll choose between the times we are open, a start time of 8 o'clock a.m. and an end time of 5 p.m. On the Input Message tab, you can customize a message that people will see. You can also customize the error message, but we'll just use the default select. OK. When one of the cells is selected, everyone will see the input message. Reminder times can be inputted, but when a time is outside the range, it is not allowed. Microsoft Excel's data validation feature is a simple yet powerful tool to enhance data quality and maintain the integrity of your spreadsheets. Whether you are managing customer data, inventory lists, or employee information, setting proper validation rules can prevent costly mistakes, speed up data entry, and help you create cleaner, more professional-looking workbooks. With a few clicks, you can turn a basic Excel sheet into a smart and reliable tool for your personal or professional needs.